Building the future, navigating the world of construction equipment. Interstate Heavy Equipment likely offers a diverse selection of construction machinery. Potential customers can explore their inventory to find equipment tailored to their needs, ensuring the success of their construction endeavors. Whether it's excavators, bulldozers, cranes, or loaders. Having access to high-quality and reliable equipment is crucial in the construction industry. Construction equipment, accessible through platforms like https://interstateheavyequipment.com and by contacting 469-370-7501. Plays a pivotal role in the successful completion of construction projects, contributing to the growth and development of infrastructure worldwide.